Excuse me. Ignore me. Hi guys, today we're at the CharCharms warehouse and I'm going to show you guys some of the products that we have in the warehouse, what we have available for you guys. Let's go check it out. We're in the CharCharms warehouse. I have my jacket on because it's pretty cold right now, so you gotta stay cozy. The warehouse is pretty big. I want to show you guys all the stock that we have. Like, we have all of our straws right here. I'll show you guys a bunch of straws that we have. These are color changing straws. We also have these glittery straws. These are some of the straws that we sell. There are a bunch more. Just found some rainbow glittery ones. So cute. The straw toppers, these are my favorite. So everybody loves them. They're so cute. This one is also one of my favorites. These are like plants. Look at this little plant guy right here. And then this one is like peas in a pod with these little animals right here that are super cute too. We also have these animals. So cute. We also have these really fun unicorn ones down here. There's so many more straw toppers down here. Let me give you a look. So we have these mermaid tail ones, which goes hand in hand with these little ocean ones. Look at this one. It's literally like Lucky Cat one. It's the one that's like. And we have some more animals. The panda one's my favorite too. We have a bunch more down here on the bottom of the shelf, but let's move on. There's so much more to see. This is the bottle boot area. Look at this stack of bottle boots. This one is so cool. Like, it's so pretty. Excuse me. Ignore me. I also love the glittery one. These are so pretty. These are my favorite. And it matches perfectly with the glittery shawl. I also have this one that's really fun. It has all these stickers. It was from one of our past collections. So we have bottle boots of different sizes. This is like the Owala one. For different sizes Owalas, like the 32 ounce or the 24 ounce. Yes, that is our bottle boot area. Protect your water bottle from dents and loud noises. And now we're in the charm area, as you can see. Over there is our office. That's Atilia, one of our employees. This is a spread. Low-key, it's like a band. They each come with a pom-pom and a charm and a lippy pouch. This one's cute. This one's with a squishmallow. I have so many squishmallows I used to collect. It's like a cowgirl type vibe, an all red one. Cherry on there. This one's one of my favorites because I love this charm. So glittery and pretty. Also, we have a bunch more straw toppers. Look at these. These are water bottle straw toppers. Inception, kind of. I think that's so funny. We also have rubber charms up here. A little dino. But yes, that is our little charm area. There's a bunch more. Oh my god. The camera's coming. So we have our charm bundle builder area. One of my favorite spots because you could literally just build your own charm bundle. Who would not love that? It's all of our lippy pouches. There are so many. I don't even know where to start. I've chosen 4. This one's just plain white, and then this one has a fun like green color. These ones have little raspberries on them. I have this on my water bottle. It's just like a pink marbly one. Whatever kind of style you want, we got. And right here, bottle hooks. I personally love glittery ones. Like, there's a flower one that's so cute. I also love the heart glittery ones. We also have a black one, just in case for the people who don't really like color. Yeah, that is just like an overview of all the stuff we have. But yes, that is an overview of products that we have in our warehouse. There's just a bunch more that I did not get to show you, but you can find them on our website when you go buy your stuff. And let me show you my favorite straw topper. These are my favorite ones because of this bear. It's so cute. Basically, he's winking with this eye, so it's like... And I think all these animals are so cute, so it's my favorite. Thanks for joining me at the CharCharms warehouse. See you guys.